Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ouroboros exotic submachine gun. This highly sought-after weapon is a powerful addition to any agent's arsenal in Division 2. It boasts the unique rule of threes talent, which grants a 100% critical hit chance for 3 seconds after reloading from empty. Additionally, it applies a random status effect to enemies, making it incredibly versatile in combat. Let's dive into the exclusive method for acquiring this fantastic weapon. The sole method for acquiring the Ouroboros is by completing the Paradise Lost Incursion. This is a high-difficulty, 4-player cooperative mission designed to test even the most seasoned agents. You and your team must successfully navigate and complete all objectives within the incursion. It demands excellent teamwork, strategic planning, and optimized character builds to overcome its formidable challenges. Prepare for a serious test of your skills. When you defeat the final boss in the Paradise Lost Incursion, each player has a 10% chance for the Ouroboros to drop directly. This means every team member gets an individual role for the weapon. Furthermore, completing the incursion for the first time each week rewards you with a weekly cache. This cache guarantees an exotic item, and it has a 50% chance to be the Ouroboros itself, significantly boosting your odds. To maximize your chances of obtaining the Ouroboros, teamwork is paramount. Assemble a dedicated group with diverse and complementary builds, ensuring you have both damage and support capabilities. Constant communication and precise coordination of your skills are crucial for success. Practice the incursion regularly to memorize enemy patterns and objective mechanics. Focus on optimizing your survivability while maintaining high damage output to clear encounters efficiently. Good luck, agents!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.